Nova Top Flex, and in this video, I will be demonstrating the use of TinyWM, which is not available, if I know correctly, not available on any official Linux or even BSD distribution or distro. TinyWM is available on GitHub and is advertised to be the tiniest window manager for demonstration purposes only. You will not find TinyWM on the average Linux or BSD system in any way, even if you do use a basic X server, pre-Wayland, pre-X Libre. This is TinyWM. If you're wondering what applications I'm using for my demonstration, the first application was LSTopo. This one is LSHW GTK, which is the GTK interface to the LSHW for Lissy hardware command. And then this is Xterm. I tried -RV. This is actually without -RV though. And while I'm not doing this at first, later on in the video you will see me drag the different windows. Because I'm on no VNC on Chromium, I was unable to use the Alt right click shortcut, but there are only 3 keyboard shortcuts available for this window manager. We only have Alt F1 to focus. I haven't actually been successful using that shortcut this time. We also have Alt left click specifically for moving windows and Alt right click for resizing windows. Again, since this is VNC and I'm not using it as a native display, this will not actually work. Alt right click, although I could use it, you could use X do tool because this is easily an Xorg or X11 interface. Because it's X, it's allowing you to use X do tool to simulate the keystrokes. And no, I did not simulate the keystrokes for this video. I actually did the Alt left click, Alt right click, and Alt F1, though Alt F1 did not work in this interface. Now you will see me test ls logins to list logins. So if you have not noticed already yet, I have moved the windows around, as is the case and as is allowed. Again, we only have availability to move, resize, focus, and that's it. I've now killed the Xterm, and the LSHW GTK, and the LSTopo is coming soon. And thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.